Hello everyone. So here's the information some people have been asking me about business. I think some of you are just getting to know about business, or some of you are just getting to know how to get started with cryptocurrency form of investment. So here is me re-explaining again and to keep in touch up to date. Till now you can see October 14th, meaning that Bitness is still at work. How am I supposed to say it? October 14th. So, as at the time of making this video, meaning that this is the newest video about Bitness, meaning that Bitness is still working. So, if you're just getting to know about Bitness, this is a platform that has been giving us let me say monthly income, because I recommend people do the 28 days part of the investment. That is the only way you can earn the complete 24% of the a 24% profit. If you do 7 days, if you do 14 days, you will not end up to 24% profit. Meaning that for every $100 investment, you get $24 profit at the end of the 28 days. So at the end of the 28 days, your total will be $124. That's the meaning of 24% profit. And for every $1,000 investment, you get $240. So at the end of the 28 days, your total balance of $1,240 will be returned to your wallet. That is how this platform has been working. It's a smart contract investment platform. And the sweet part of this is you can see every day like this, they drop the running time. You see, running time 1,103 days, meaning that this platform has been running for 1,103 days. Personally, I've been saying it in all of my videos. Personally, I've been doing this business. I know about business since last year, 2024. So if they say 1,103 days, am I likely to believe them? Because it's over a year, going to 2 years, that I personally know about business. This is not a financial advice. It's just me sharing a pure and genuine perspective about business, my own pure experience about business. So this can help you make your decision whether or not you want to invest. So that is my personal experience about business. I've been on business since last year, 2024, and this is October 14th, 2025. So, and the platform is saying they've been running for 1,103. So if you start calculating last year, over 365 days already, that my own personal experience. So this is making sense already. I'm not gonna lie. It's been a blessing all along. So to get started on business, I made a previous video that you need to download Token Pocket Wallet. Token Pocket Wallet is a very seamless wallet that is suitable for this business platform. You can use OKX and you can use Betamax. Those are the three recommended wallets. So I believe everybody is familiar with OKX and everybody is familiar with Metamax. So if you are not familiar with Token Pocket Wallet, go ahead to my video. I dropped the video link in the description box of this video. Just download Token Pocket Wallet and set it up using connect to BSC network. So if you don't know how to set up your Token Pocket Wallet, it's very simple. But for the sake of the newbie in the space, you can check out the Token Pocket Wallet guide video in the description box of this video. So now, after you must have set up your Token Pocket Wallet, you can start investing. As you can see, the charts and everything this is their own Telegram channel. I have a Telegram channel specifically for this business. I'll be dropping the link in the description box of this video too, so you might join the Telegram channel, my Telegram channel for business from here. So every day they update us on the platform liquidity and the running time and all of that. You see, accumulated participants income $702 million. God. Platform liquidity $40,000. So if I should open the platform now, the one they posted today, 14th of October, let's see what their platform liquidity is. It's a smart contract investment, and everything that happens on this platform is automatic. The moment you place your investment, the running days start counting. You start seeing the countdown. At the end of the days, both capital and profit returns back to your connected wallet automatically. So at the end of the 28 days, you get to reinvest to start making money. You have to reinvest to start making money, because it's good to keep to keep the profits flowing in. So I recommend you doing 28 days. That is the only way you can earn the complete 24% profit the platform promised. If you do 7 days, 14 days, you not end up to 24%. So they said the platform liquidity as at today, October 14th, is $37 million. Yes, 37 million USDT, which is equivalent to 37 million US dollars. So now let's go to the platform. This is my Token Pockets wallet. After you must have set up the wallet, you have to deposit your USDT on Web3 network, USDT BSC network. So what you need to do is to click on this receive and copy this address. Then go to your Bybit or any exchange or wallet that you have your USDT there. You withdraw from that exchange, selecting Web3 Binance Smart Chain Network. Then enter this address there. Let's assume you are going to you are withdrawing from Bybit. Let's assume I want to withdraw some USDT on Bybit. I'll come to this assets page. I have my USDT on Bybit. I'll just click on withdraw. Then under this withdraw, I'll select USDT. Then here I will change the network. Under this network, select BSC, Web3. The moment you select Web3, come to this Token Pocket wallet. This address that you copied, paste it here. Listen, address, don't mind me. Enter the amount you are depositing, and you click on withdraw. That's how to withdraw from Bybit. So the moment you click on that withdraw, then you will receive your token here on this Token Pocket wallet. It's a Web3 wallet, personal wallet, decentralized wallet. It is not a affiliated wallet to Bitness. So this one is a decentralized. They don't have anything to do with Bitness. But it's just that this one, it works faster. Like the network here is very seamless compared to using other Web3 wallets. So I'm recommending using Token Pocket wallet, OKX wallet, or MetaMask wallet if you are interested in doing Bitness. You can see I'm using Token Pocket wallet. So the moment you deposit here from your Bybit to this place, you will see your USDT. So you also need BNB as gas. This BNB smart chain, the BSC network. Buy BNB from Bybit or from Binance, whichever exchange, and send it here. Copy the same address. Click on this receiver there. Copy is the same address. The moment you put your network on BSC blockchain on this Token Pocket wallet or OKX wallet, you can copy your BSC address and deposit USDT, and also deposit on the BSC coin there as gas. You can say I'm just having only $1 or something as gas. So what you are using as gas is just like 2 cents, 3 cents, thereabouts. But you can keep like $1 or $2 as gas, the BSC coin as gas. So now that you have your USDT Web3 and your BSC coin, now come to the discover button of your Token Pocket wallet or OKX or MetaMask. Enter the link, the Bitness link. This is the link, and you click enter Bitness. You see, I will have to reconnect my wallet because the moment I exit, I close my Token Pocket app, they disconnect me from the Bitness page. So meaning that they do not even allow you to leave your account connected on their platform. So anytime you want to view your you want to view your account, you want to see how things are going, you come back, you click on connect. Then I'll click on confirm. Then that's it. So now that I've connected my wallet, you can see they said $37 million liquidity from their platform today, October 14th. So you can see the exact amount is what they are giving us updates. So they automatically drop updates every day on their channel, as you can see. So they are not lying if they said they've been running for 1,103 days. Because for myself, I think it's close to 500 days that I know about this platform. And I know some people already have testimonies already. So if you are part of the Bitness family, drop an emoji in the chat box so that we can encourage people that are just getting involved. So now that you are on the platform, scroll down to this Bitness loop and click on join now. So you can always add to your position. There is no minimum to get started with, and there is no maximum. Do according to your financial capacity. This is not a financial advice. I'm only sharing what is working and to carry my community along. This is the recent update about business as of today, October 14th. So do according to your financial capacity. No minimum, no maximum. You can see if I enter $4 here and still select 28 days, it will go. You see what I will earn? I will earn 94 cents at the end of the 28 days, and I'll get my $4 capital, which makes it $4.96, as you can see. So meaning that there's no minimum, there's no maximum. Now I want to add to my position. I have multiple positions running simultaneously. So if I had $100, I'm getting $124 at the end of the 28 days. So if I click on this circulation, you can always open have different one running at the same time. You don't have to wait till one end before you add another. If you have the money, you put, I'm having like 7 positions currently, or 5 or thereabouts. You can see. So you can see it has been added, and this is it. Meaning that in the same vein, if you put $100,000, you earn $124,000 at the end of the 28 days. You put $1 million, you earn $1,240,000 at the end of 28 days. Any amount you put is what you earn at the end of it. Any amount you put, you get 24% of it at the end of the 28 days. 28 days is the max. If you do 1 day, you do 14 days, you do 7 days, you will now earn up to 24% profit. But if you select 28 days, you earn 24% profit on whatsoever amounts you are investing here. So you can see my positions, my order. I'm running like 2, 3, 4, 5 orders at the same time. 5 orders, different amounts at the same time. And you can just see I just added another $100 here. The $100 I just did, see the countdown. 27 days, 23 hours, 58 minutes, 32 seconds. It keeps counting like that. At the end of these 27 days, the moment the countdown stop, your capital, your profit returns to your wallet. This is the if I come back to my wallet, you can see this is the moment I'm receiving money. All this blue, it means I'm receiving money. All the money I'm receiving, all the way I'm receiving it. So you don't need, if you are asking for withdrawal proof, this is withdrawal proof. The way money is entering. Look at how the money are entering. So every profit, and also if you are inviting anyone to this platform, every of your commission, everything does automatically in your connected wallet. You are not going there to come and click on withdraw. No, you are not going there to go and click on there is no withdrawal button on the page safe. On the business loop, no withdrawal button. So everything drops here on this wallet. It drops automatically here on this wallet. So you now withdraw by yourself to where you want to withdraw to. If I want to withdraw this for USDT, I'll click on send and select USDT. Copy my deposit address from Bybit. I'll click on deposit on Bybit. Deposit crypto. Select USDT. I'm saying all of this because of the newbie. If you're just getting started, I think this video is very simplified for you to know what to do next. So I'll just select BSC and copy my address here. Then enter it here on the token pocket wallet. Let's assume I'm withdrawing this $4. Then click on confirm. You can see everything you want to withdraw is in your wallet. Bitness does not have anything to do with your withdrawal. So Bybit will notify me that I've just sent in, they have just credit me $4 now. So everything you are getting from the platform is depositing automatically to your wallet. You are not coming to withdraw from, there is no withdrawal button on the platform. You can see the $4 I withdrew has been deposited to the wallet, to my Bybit account. It's as simple as that. So at the end of the 28 days, your capital, your profit, it drops automatically here. You are not going, it's a smart contract investment. There is no place to go and click on withdraw and you say, okay, the platform is not allowing me to withdraw. No. Everything drops here. So you really want to withdraw. You are in charge of your wallet. Make sure you are saving your face key. The face key you got from this token pocket wallet, when you signed up, make sure you save it, because that's the only access. If you change your device, you change your phone, you change your anything, the only way to get access to that wallet that you connect to Bitness is to have the face key. Once you have the face key, you can always access your Bitness account anytime, any day. As long as the platform keep running, you have your face key, you can always access your Bitness investments. So this is how you get started on Bitness investment. And for those that want to do referral, please note, if you are referring anyone on Bitness, for your level 1, you must be investing at least $100 for you to earn on your level 1 referral. If you are going to earn from your level 2 referral, you must be investing $200 for your level 2 referral. If you want to earn level 3 from your level 3 referrals, you must be investing $300 to earn for your from your level 3 referral. If you want to earn from level 7 referrals, you must be investing $700 to earn from your level 7 referrals. So that's how the referral thing works. And every of your referral commission drops to this wallet too. Every of the referral commissions drops to this wallet, to your connected wallet. Automatically, the moment the person is signing up, adding money, you get your commission. Once your own personal investment is up to that amount that qualifies you to earn from your referral level, so you get the referral commission automatically to your wallet. You are not going to go and click to go and do anything or anything. Just, you can see in less than 2 minutes I've invested, and I'm waiting for the thing to count down and get my money here. You can see this one that I just withdrew and the $1 that I just dropped here. See the time zone, see the $4. See how the money is entering, both referrals and everything like that. And my personal investment, you can see how the money is. So you are not going there to go and click on withdraw. Everything enters there automatically. So this is how the Bitness investment works, and this is the latest update about Bitness. We are still here, it's still running, we are still making money. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Share this video with your downlines so they can know the step-by-step guide on how to get started. The registration link is in the description box of this video. See you guys on the next one, and bye for now.